All right, foodies, let's get cooking. Today, I'm sharing two super easy, mouth-watering loaded potato recipes. Trust me, you're gonna want to try these. First up, we've got loaded bacon cheddar potatoes. Here's what you need. 4 large russet potatoes, 200 grams of shredded cheddar cheese, 100 grams of crispy bacon bits, 50 grams of sour cream, some chives, salt and pepper. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Scrub those potatoes clean and poke a few holes with a fork. Pop them in the oven for about an hour until they're nice and tender. Once they're done, let them cool a bit, then cut each potato in half. Scoop out the insides, leaving a bit of potato around the edges. Mix the scooped out potato with your cheddar cheese, bacon bits, and a dollop of sour cream. Season with salt and pepper. Stuff the potato skins with the cheesy bacon mixture and pop them back in the oven for another 10 minutes until the cheese is melty and bubbly. Sprinkle with chives and boom, loaded bacon cheddar potatoes. Next up, we've got vegetarian loaded sweet potatoes. Here's what you'll need: 4 sweet potatoes, 200 grams of black beans, 100 grams of corn, 50 grams of shredded mozzarella, 50 grams of guacamole, a handful of chopped cilantro, and a pinch of cumin. Preheat your oven again to 200 degrees Celsius. Clean those sweet potatoes and poke a few holes. Bake for about an hour until they're soft. Cut them in half, scoop out the insides, and mix with black beans, corn, mozzarella, and cumin. Stuff the potato skins with this mixture and bake for another 10 minutes. Top with guacamole and chopped cilantro. And there you have it. Vegetarian loaded sweet potatoes. All right, foodies, give these recipes a try and let me know which one's your favorite. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes every week. See you next time.